We are going to redo their kitchen, laundry room, scrape the ceilings in another room, and they do a lot of cooking, and their kitchen wasn't really set up for the amount of cooking. She bakes a lot and he does a lot of cooking. So
when they called me to ask us to come out and look at their kitchen, I always ask when we get off the phone is, where did you hear about us?
Well, one of the reasons where we first found them listed was on Wise Choices, because we trust Andy Wise's decisions about who he supports and promotes. And then when they came to meet with us for the first time, the whole team came out. Bill, Tracy, Micah, their foreman all came out and really listened to what we had to say about what we wanted our kitchen to look like.
it's going to be a kitchen that's designed for them to function well and just cook better in it.
How much are you looking forward to the finished product?
Cannot wait.